In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy Camera Raw filter settings in Photoshop so you can apply the same adjustments to multiple images in just a few clicks. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're editing a batch of photos and want consistent color grading, exposure, or an overall style across all of them without repeating the same work over and over again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to edit. This will be your reference image where you apply all your Camera Raw adjustments. Once your image is open, go to the top menu, click on Filter, and then select Camera Raw Filter. This will open the Camera Raw workspace where all the magic happens. Now go ahead and start making your adjustments. You can tweak exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, and clarity. You can also jump into the color mixer to adjust individual colors, or use color grading to give your image a specific mood or tone. Don't forget about sharpening and noise reduction if your image needs it. Take your time here because these are the exact settings you're going to copy and reuse on other images. Once you're happy with your edits, look at the top right corner of the Camera Raw window and click on the three dots icon. This opens a menu with additional options. From here, click on Copy Settings. A dialog box may appear allowing you to choose which settings to copy, and in most cases you can leave everything selected and hit OK. Now your adjustments are copied. After that, click OK again to exit the Camera Raw window and return to Photoshop. Now it's time to apply those same settings to another image. Open your second image in Photoshop. Just like before, go to Filter and then Camera Raw Filter to open the Camera Raw workspace again. Once you're inside, head back to the top right corner and click on the three dots icon again. This time, click on Paste Settings. Instantly, you'll see all the adjustments from your first image apply to this one, giving it the same look and feel in seconds. If needed, you can make small tweaks to better fit this specific image, but most of the work is already done for you. Once everything looks good, click OK to confirm. And just like that, you've successfully copied and pasted Camera Raw settings between images. This method is perfect for maintaining a consistent look across your photos, especially for social media, client work, or any project where visual consistency matters. It's quick, efficient, and incredibly useful for photographers and content creators. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.